Case summary by Deepak Miglani, Kiran Singh versus Chaman Paswan. This case deals with the valuation and jurisdiction of the court. Jurisdiction means authority of the court to decide the matter, power of the court to decide the matter. It is the plaintiff's valuation in the plaint that determines the jurisdiction of the court and not the amount for which ultimately the decree may be passed by the court. Thus, if the pecuniary jurisdiction of the court of the lowest grade is, say, rupees 10,000 and the plaintiff files a suit for accounts and finally the court finds on taking the accounts that rupees 15,000 are due, the court is not deprived of its jurisdiction to pass a decree for that amount. This case, Kiran Singh versus Chaman Paswan, deals with valuation and jurisdiction of the court. Facts of the case: a suit was valued at rupees 2,950 and was filed in the court of the subordinate judge Mongir. The suit was dismissed and the plaintiff filed an appeal in the district court. That appeal was also dismissed by the district court and the second appeal was filed in the High Court of Patna. The High Court held that the correct valuation was rupees 9,880 and directed the appellant to pay the deficit court fees. On the revised valuation, this suit would be within the competence of the subordinate judge where it was filed, but an appeal against the decree would lie directly to the High Court and not to the district court. The appellant in these circumstances contended before the High Court that the appeal to the district court was incompetent and the decree passed by the district court was nullity and that the second appeal should be treated and heard as a first appeal. The High Court negated the contention and dismissed the appeal as no prejudice was shown. The matter was taken to the Supreme Court. Judgment: the Supreme Court allowed the appeal. While affirming the decision of the High Court, the Supreme Court held that the decree passed by the district court was not a nullity and that a mere change of forum cannot be said to have caused prejudice to the appellant. A party who has resorted to a forum of its own choice on his own valuation cannot himself be heard to complain of any prejudice. Prejudice can be a ground for relief only when it is due to the action of another party and not when it results from one's own act. Courts cannot recognize that as prejudice which flows from the action of the very party who complains about it. The decree passed by the district court was upheld. Friends, Section 15 of the Civil Procedure Code refers to the pecuniary jurisdiction of the court. It states that every suit should be instituted in the court of the lowest grade competent to try it. The rule laid down in this section is a rule of procedure and does not affect the jurisdiction of the court. Case details: please like the video, share the video and subscribe the YouTube channel. Thank you.